Dogs, our best friends, our most loyal companions, and most importantly, our family. We love dogs. Just about all of us do. They don't judge. They love us and never ask for anything in return. They always give back more than they receive. Even if you disappoint them, they forgive you and move on. A dog is the most amazingly consistent friend you'll ever have. And we often think we know everything about them. But do we? Let's take a look at some of the coolest facts about dogs. Your dog can see more than black and white. If you thought your pup was only seeing in shades of gray, black, and white, you're mistaken. Eyes contain nerve cells that can be split into two categories: ocular rods and ocular cones. While rods detect light, cones are the part of the eye that perceive color. According to WAG, humans have many more color-sensing cones than dogs do. Dog eyes contain between 1/9 and 1/12 of these ocular cones. We can see the full color spectrum, while pups can only see 3 shades of color: blue, blue-violet, and yellow. Anything with shades of red or green do appear to be shades of gray. However, there's a trade-off. While dogs have fewer cones than humans, their eyes contain almost triple the rods, meaning that they have an incredibly keen eye for motion, and can see much better in low light than humans can. Dogs sweat through their paws. Have you ever noticed your dog's paws smelling like corn chips? Turns out, this isn't because they've broken into your pantry. Although dogs cool themselves down by panting, which circulates air through their bodies, they actually sweat through their paw pads. When sweat and bacteria build up on their feet, it gives off that unique scent. Cleaning your dog's paws is especially necessary in the winter if they're trotting through salt. Dog paws are very sensitive to the elements. However, a muddy summer is also a reason to clean their feet. Dog noses are more advanced than you can imagine. While humans have about 6 million olfactory receptors in their noses, dog noses contain upwards of 300 million. Air nose is also remarkably practical. They breathe in through their nostrils and then exhale through the slits on the sides of their noses, meaning there is constant scent processing happening. This is where your pup's wet nose comes into play, as well. The wet nature of the nose catches compounds from the breeze. Dogs can also smell separately with each nostril, which gives them the ability to pinpoint the direction that the smell is coming from. Dogs have an acute way of smelling hormones, which means that they can read feelings of anger or stress on someone, as well as knowing when someone is pregnant. Some dogs can even sniff out cancerous cells. One phenomenal fact about a dog's sense of smell is that they can also process things that have happened in the past. They can smell when a car has just pulled away, or a human has just walked by, in addition to being able to process every unique chemical signature of the insects, flowers, people, and animals around them. Dogs need to be walked, even if they have a big backyard. Historically, dogs have always been energetic animals, whether they were roaming in the wild, herding sheep, or running around. While breeds have been used for different purposes, like hunting or to follow trails, many dog breeds have a long history of being active, which gives them a storage of natural energy. And, when they're just laying around the house, this energy is going unused.